Hi everyone, our lesson for today will focus on kinetic energy. We will describe what kinetic energy is all about and solve problems related to kinetic energy. To start, take a look at the video. What could these things in nature possibly have in common? Can you guess what it is? All of them show things that have kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of moving matter. Anything that is moving has kinetic energy. From atoms and matters to stars in outer space, things with kinetic energy can do work. For example, the spinning saw blade in the photo above is doing the work of cutting through a piece of metal. How do we calculate kinetic energy? The amount of kinetic energy in a moving object depends directly on its mass and velocity. An object with greater mass or greater velocity has more kinetic energy. You can calculate the kinetic energy of a moving object with the equation kinetic energy equals 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. For example, the figure below shows one running on the beach with his dad. One has a mass of 40 kilograms and is running at a velocity of 1 meter per second. How much kinetic energy does he have? To solve, we need to substitute the value for mass and velocity into the equation for kinetic energy. So here are the steps to solve. After analyzing the problem, we have to identify the given. So our given values includes 40 kilograms for mass. We know that it's mass because of the SI unit kg, and velocity of 1 meter per second because of the unit or the derived unit meter per second. Our required is kinetic energy, and the formula is kinetic energy equals 1/2 mv squared. To solve, you have to plug in the given numbers to the equation. So kinetic energy equals 1/2 times 40 kilogram. That's going to be 20. Multiply it to the velocity of 1 times 1, still 1. So 20 kilograms times 1 meter squared per second squared is equal to 20 joule. Joule is the unit of energy. It is derived from Newton meter. Another example. A cyclist and a bike have a total mass of 100 kg and a speed of 15 meters per second. Calculate the kinetic energy. So the process is shown in there using the formula Ke equals 1/2 mv squared. To summarize, kinetic energy is the energy of moving matter. Anything that is moving has kinetic energy. Take note that the amount of kinetic energy in a moving object depends directly on its mass and velocity, therefore it can be calculated with the equation Ke is equals to 1/2 mv squared. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Stay safe everyone and have a great day. See you next time.